Hey guys, MakeupSy here and welcome back to my, hold on. Check out my shirt. Say but God. Ain't nobody but Jesus. Period.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting.
I suggest a new strategy, Antoine.
Only different in your mind.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Hey guys, MakeupSy here. Welcome back to my channel. I know if you've subscribed to my channel, then you already know that I did this look already, showing this hair. If you haven't seen this video, then the link for that will be above. I just did my normal foundation routine, so I'll have that link in the description box. It's not going to be linked above. It's a customized wig. It's not customized as in I made it myself. I basically customized a wig that I brought, so don't get it twisted. So today is a special video because this video is sponsored by Wonsii Wraps. They sent me their 2 different styles of wraps, and this is a very unique company because it is black owned, and it is owned, let me stop talking and try to feel, but it is owned by a woman. Her name is Patricia. She is so sweet, she is so kind, and she decided to basically send me some more wraps to basically show you guys. I've actually tried a few of them. I tried one of them on, which is this one. This is a faux leather wrap. So basically I'm going to be showing you guys how to put them on, what comes in each package, and yeah, if you would like to see how I basically put on these wraps, and just keep on watching. So fresh out the pack, I have here 3 different styles of wraps, and they are handmade. So that is the difference between any other wrap company that you may have seen or known. These are all handmade, hand stitched. The quality, that is what I like. I feel like the quality is what matters. This is really hard, so it's not like it's gonna break or anything like that. I'm just trying to show you guys how durable this is. This is a bow, so it has wiring on it, and you just basically fluff it out. I'm going to be fluffing it out once I try it on. And then they have the rolls, so you have the knot, the rolls, and the bow. And then it has here, you basically fluff this out, so I'm going to be putting this on. And then the back of it, it has where you attach the scarf. Okay, I feel like these are so, like, the price that you pay for these, you're not just getting one wrap, one style. No, these are 16 styles in one. You can literally create 16 different looks. 3, 6, 9, 12, and then if you want to customize, you can do another 3 more. 30, trying to calculate, but you get it. You definitely can do 16 styles with this. I'm going to be just doing the 3 original, and then I'm going to do one a daily wear one. So let's just hop straight in. So first things first, I have here, this is the wrap. So this is the form, this is the beginning, like this is where you start out. So this is how it looks, like this. Okay, 2 in the middle and then 1 on the side. So I'm also, it have here on the back like a little stretchy, kind of like drawstring, like it's not a drawstring, of course, it's just elastic. And then on the inside you have here the pockets where if you want to add, you want to put in these or whatever like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 2, let me turn it around so you guys can see. So I'm going to take these 2, put them together, and then stuff them inside the pocket. So as you guys can see, here it is. It's like a silk part, so that way your hair won't have, edges won't have to come off. No hair is coming off. This is real silk. It feels really high quality and everything. So I'm just gonna put these in here inside of the pocket. So boom, Now we have it like 2. As you guys can see, let me make it a little bit neater. So now we have here 2 ends, no ends, okay? And we still have the stretchy part, which is on this side. So now I'm gonna fold it again. So I'm gonna flip it down, fold it, and leave the elastic part in the back. So now it's like this, okay? And then I'm gonna take it and make sure my hair is in there. Okay, now I'm just gonna tie a knot. I'm not doing anything extra. I'm just tying a knot, securing the headband. Okay, boom, just like that. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna put a bow right here, and this is as if I want to wear it every day, and then I could pin it up, ponytail in there, and just leave the bang. So now I just have this bow right here for an everyday wear. So that is what you consider style 1. Make sure my wig is secure. Fall 2019. Okay, so I tied it, boom. So now we have here the bow. Please make sure that you sprout out these little parts right here. So you can make it as big, as little as you desire. Me, the bigger the better, period. So now what you do is, as you guys can see, there is an elastic band right here, which is really cool because I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. So I'm facing it towards me, and as you guys can see, I am putting it this way, okay? And then I'm going to take the other end and do it the opposite way. So all you do is pull it. Oh, okay. Pull it just like that. I'm going to take it and then I'm going to tie it in the back, or just stuff it underneath my wrap, just like that. I look like a kid. You can have it to the side. You can have it in the middle, just like that. I got my scrunchie. I'm just gonna take the back of my hair and put it up into a ponytail, just like this. Okay, and then I got my wrap, and then I'm gonna take it. I'm just gonna leave this out, my bang, and I'm gonna tie it just like that. I want to do the rose for this one. So you basically take it and of course do the same thing that you did with the bow. You just sprouting it out just like that. Make sure it's sprout out because that's the point of this rose. I just take it and just cuff it like that, literally to all of them. I take it and I cuff it, so that way it can come out looking like a rose. So this one has 3 straps and this one only had 1 on the back. So this one has 3. So the trick is, this is how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna take this one, this side that's closest to me, and place it through here. So all I'm doing is taking it and pulling it through, okay? And then I'm gonna take it and pull it through here. So now I have here, this is the V. So you want the V to be like right there. So then I'm gonna take this one on the same side that it's on, pull it through, and then again, pull it through here. So as you guys can see, it's like both of them are here. And they all both going through here. Then I'm just going to pull it. Pull it. just like that. And then I'm going to take it, tie it in a knot because I don't want it to come down. And then I'm going to tuck it underneath the wrap. So this is the rose. A ponytail, I call it a ponytail rose, let's call it that. Showed you guys how to put them on, how to basically style them. I showed you guys 7 different looks that you can do with this. I just like the fact that you have so many different styles in one. So even if you just decide to just purchase one wrap, you literally have about 9 different styles that you could do with just one wrap, instead of getting just a conventional wrap from beauty supplies or different companies. You only get one wrap in one style only. Definitely want to get my money out of, you know, my uses out of something that I purchase, especially when I know that it's going to be something that I'm investing in. A lot of people don't have money like that. So, you know, when you purchase something, you want to definitely be like, okay, I know I'm going to get my uses out of this, just because of the simple fact that you don't get just one style. You literally have so many styles in one. And turbans, I mean, wraps to me was so hard to put on. I had a hard time putting on my wraps. So the fact that they have this, it's a winner. It is. If you want to purchase these wraps, use code MakeupSy16 for money off. And yeah, I'm here for it. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. As always, please feel free to hit that subscribe button before you guys leave. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. As always, makeup is an art, beauty is a spirit. Go out, be great, and enjoy your day. And yeah, hope to see you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.